Hi guys, this is the most info do-it-yourself special instruction for clearing your water inlet screen on the washing machine when it takes too long time to fill up and the cycle take like 2 hours to complete. Normally it's due to obstruction of the inlet of water because of dirty city water that comes with the problems we have today in Maputo. Normally the washing machine, before we start working on it, we pull out the electric plug for all eventualities. We will turn off the water supply like that, and then we look for the other end of the water pipe and unscrew that nicely, and then we check the rubber ring here that it's clean, and then we need a kind of plier, can be any kind of plier, to pull out this little screen that is here in the center. There it comes, and this one was actually not dirty at all, but you will have to just make sure it's clean. Then you blow from the inside out that direction to make sure it's clean. Yeah, this screen was actually not very dirty at all, and then you just carefully check that it's free of dirt here in the hole as well. Yeah, it's clear. And just reinstall the little screen again, okay, and replace the water connection like that. Be careful so you don't damage the thread. Make sure that it goes on correctly. Just tight it with your hand. Don't use any tools for this. There we are. Open the water tap to check that there is no leak. Okay, no leak, it's tight. And just replace the plug into the socket. And there we are. Now we can believe that the washing machine will not take 2 hours to do its cycle. Thank you.